In today's modern workplace, empowering your team and making their working lives easier is the key to success. That's why Microsoft has created Microsoft Power Platform, a suite of tools designed to unlock the full potential of your business. Power Platform consists of 4 powerful components: Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agents. Together they offer a range of capabilities that can revolutionize the way your employees work. Power Apps allows your staff to create customized business applications with ease. No extensive coding knowledge required. With a simple drag-and-drop interface, they can quickly build tailored apps that match their unique needs, improving productivity and efficiency. Power Automate empowers your people to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows seamlessly. By eliminating manual data entry and automating time-consuming processes, they can focus on more meaningful work, saving time and reducing errors. With Power BI, which stands for Business Intelligence, your employees can transform raw data into actionable insights. Interactive dashboards and reports provide clear visualizations that help them make informed decisions and drive better outcomes for your business. Power Virtual Agents enables your employees to create intelligent chatbots without the need for coding expertise. These chatbots can assist your customers, answer inquiries, and provide self-service options, improving customer satisfaction and reducing support costs. By integrating seamlessly with your existing Microsoft 365 tools, the Power Platform maximizes the value of your investment in M365. It empowers your team to get more done and have a greater impact on your business. By simplifying tasks, reducing complexity, and fostering innovation, you're creating a workplace where everyone can thrive. The team at CompanyNet are experts in Power Platform. We can help you unlock the potential of your staff and get more value from your investment in Microsoft 365.